21 foods that will speed up the fat-burning process. Apples. A medium-sized apple provides around 5 grams of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes fat loss. And a U.S. study found that people who eat an apple 15 minutes before lunch consumed an average of 187 calories fewer than those who don't. Eggs are full of quality protein and fats that promote fullness. Eggs are also high in biotin, a vitamin that helps the body process, move and burn fat more efficiently. Stick to boiled, poached or scrambled rather than fried. Oats. These are high in soluble fiber and, unlike most other grains, protein, meaning that they help keep you feeling fuller for longer. They are also low on the glycemic index, so they don't cause a surge in blood sugar levels that can make you crave snacks. Peanut butter. This is packed with protein and good fats and can reduce hunger for up to 2.5 hours, according to a study from Purdue University in the U.S. Just stick to the organic stuff, which doesn't contain hydrogenated fats. Black pepper. A substance called piperine in pepper blocks the formation of new fat cells. Bonus, it also increases the bioavailability of other nutrients, effectively making the rest of your meal more nutritious. Cayenne pepper. Capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their heat, triggers fight or flight hormones including adrenaline and norepinephrine, helping to regulate your heartbeat and breathing, and mobilizing fat for your body to use. Mustard seeds. Cook with the seeds, not the sauce. A study in the Asian Journal of Clinical Nutrition found eating them concentrated in oil lowered visceral fat in rats. Blitz them in a food processor with chilies for a fiery curry paste. Pineapple. You know you should put down the pina colada if you want to lose fat, but one ingredient in the high-calorie cocktail can help you get lean: pineapple juice. A compound in the fruit called bromelain works with other enzymes to help break down and digest fats, while research from Purdue University in the U.S. suggests that it also aids appetite suppression and increases fat excretion. Plus, a 100-gram serving of pineapple, equivalent to about 2 thin slices, contains 58% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which your body needs to keep your skin strong and supple, and to counter the damaging free radical effects of exercise and pollution. Coffee. A couple of cups of strong coffee first thing can help you lose weight by reducing hunger pangs so you're not tempted by sugary mid-morning snacks. That's the findings of a study based on both overweight and normal weight subjects, published in the Obesity Journal, which found caffeine consumption of around 6 mg per kilogram of body weight, that's 450 mg for a 75 kg man, to be the ideal amount. Yogurt. For years dairy products such as yogurt were demonized for their fat content. But in an analysis of studies examining yogurt consumption and body composition, more than half the research found a positive link between eating yogurt and lower body fat levels. The combination of calcium, which metabolizes fat, and gut-healthy bacteria is behind the benefit, according to the International Journal of Obesity. Green tea is picked earlier than black, so it retains more polyphenols and antioxidants. This means it can boost your metabolism, the rate at which you burn calories, which burns more body fat. But possibly the best thing about green tea is that it tastes great without needing milk and sugar. Fizzy water with lime juice. Fizzy drinks are packed with flab-causing sugar, while the diet versions contain artificial sweeteners that are associated with insulin spikes, leading to weight gain, and bone-weakening phosphorus. Instead, squeeze lime juice into fizzy water. The juice lowers your blood sugar response to other foods to discourage fat storage. Blueberries. With high levels of antioxidants, blueberries are effective at combating the damaging effects caused by exercise, pollution and other toxins. Have a handful as a snack or throw them into a smoothie to keep your body burning fat efficiently. Brazil nuts. These nuts, which actually come mostly from Bolivia, are high in the antioxidant vitamin E. This mops up the damaging free radicals caused by stress and exercise. Producing too many of these damages your cells, and your body prioritizes repairing them over other actions, specifically building muscle and burning fat. Pumpkin seeds. These are a great source of protein, zinc, magnesium and iron, all of which are vital to keeping your body using up fat stores around the clock. They also contain a wide variety of antioxidants, including forms of vitamin E found in few other foods. Grab a handful between meals to stay full. Turkey. So much more than a festive staple, turkey is a lean source of animal protein, which helps keep post-meal insulin levels within a desirable range by moving food at a steady pace through the digestive tract. Olive oil. There's evidence that, as well as being packed with healthy monounsaturates, extra virgin olive oil can help process troublesome brown fat tissue, making it easier to shift. Add it to salad. Parmesan. Although cottage is the cheese with the lowest fat content, Parmesan is the best source of both protein, to keep you full so you don't overeat, and calcium. A high calcium diet has been shown to increase fat oxidation, helping burn calories after a meal. Steak. Packed with protein to keep you fuller for longer, plus zinc and creatine to help increase testosterone levels and your performance in the gym, steak is the ultimate muscle-building and fat-burning food for red meat lovers. Rocket. As well as being packed with filling fiber and a mere handful of calories, these leaves are jammed with B vitamins, which will help you release energy to fuel workouts, and with its peppery flavor it's much tastier than boring old iceberg. Broccoli. Nature's finest vegetable is fibrous and low in calories, and it staves off excess estrogen, helping you avoid man boobs. Cook it in coconut oil for a delicious fat-burning side that works with almost anything. We hope you enjoyed our latest video. If you are looking for a way to fast-track your weight loss, then click the first link in the description.